Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to claim cashback on Eneba. So let's dive in. First, you want to make sure you have the Eneba app downloaded and installed or access the website from your device. Once you're in, you want to start browsing the marketplace for games that offer cashback. Not all games have it, so you want to look for the ones that clearly display a cashback percentage. For example, this one, Minecraft. All right, so let's go ahead and do the next step, which is by purchasing the game that has the cashback. So just click on this icon right here, the cart icon. And by the way, you'll need to sign in or create an account if you haven't already. All right, so let's go ahead and click continue. There we go. Also, please keep in mind that when choosing a payment method, you want to be careful. Cashback is not awarded if you use your Eneba wallet. All right, and PayPal, credit, or debit card usually work and show the cashback amount. All right, and using discount codes may also prevent cashback from being applied. All right, as you can see here, you'll notice the amount of cashback just below the actual amount. All right. After completing the purchase, you want to go to your orders or cashback section in your Eneba account. There should be a claim cashback button. Just click it and your cashback reward will be credited back to your account. And that's it. You've successfully claimed your Eneba cashback. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.